What's up, guys? Joey again, Vegas D-Tech. Hey guys, I'm putting together just a little bit of a information release for you guys. I wanted to let you know about my sister channel that I have just put out there, and it's called Starbase7. It has everything to do with UFO sightings, weird phenomena, and so forth. A little bit of background: my father is retired U.S. Air Force, and my entire life I've always been a stargazer, UFO hunter, and so forth. And you know, my dad used to sneak me out onto the bases there and bring me out to the flight line because he worked in life support, and he brought me up to the SR-71 Blackbird and showed me so many things as a kid. And I just have always wanted to try to do something else when we're not detecting. So guys, if you guys are needing a break from metal detecting and you're looking for some other material to look at, follow me on Starbase7. This is a little bit of a clipping of what it is you'll actually see there. Thanks guys, appreciate it.
That stops author Brad Olson in his digital tracks. Unidentified flying object. Object flying.